It's like football. Guys, this site is just all about culture, religion and tradition, guys. It's so amazing. Oh, I can't believe now I tried to dance. I celebrated with them, guys. Yeah. Today is so amazing, guys. So amazing. So many things going on and it's so shining. I didn't expect that, guys. I didn't expect that. But I can see people are still celebrating. This is really a very big festival, guys. I really love Newari, Nepal culture and tribe, guys. Yeah, it's so amazing, so amazing. And you see everyone, they are coming out from their house, they're sitting down to witness and to see. It's like kind of supporting what is happening on today. This is so amazing, guys. I just love Newari people. Culture is amazing, guys. I love it, guys.